Cerddwch at y bag a dewisiwch un peth I wisgo. Iawn? Wisgo. Wisgo. Un peth I wisgo. Dewiswch un peth o'r bag I wisgo. Fire away.
Da iawn.
Dwi wedi golchi nhw I gyd. I washed them all cyn dod.
We each choose a
On
prop.
it.
What's the least humiliating?
Size 24?
That's impossible.
26? No.
24.
Yeah.
Go Rambo. Go Rambo.
What's this?
This is going to... Colin, that's lovely.
Delightful.
I can't believe I actually used to wear that.
It's a really good colour. It's lovely.
Mae'r lliw yn siwtio ti mor neis, arbennig, reit te. Iawn, yn y sgript, mae un got a big bald patch Cariad. Yn y sgript, iawn, tudalen 11, mae cwestiwn gyda ni. Pwy sy'n gwisgo'r siwt? Pwy? Dych chi'n cofio the pink windmill? Granny Grotbag. Was it Emu? They used to go, there's somebody at the door. There's somebody at the door. So dyn ni'n mynd I ddeud, who's wearing the suit? Who's wearing the suit? Pwy sy'n gwisgo'r siwt? Pwy sy'n gwisgo'r siwt? Pwy sy'n gwisgo'r siwt? Pwy sy'n gwisgo'r siwt? Who's wearing the suit? Iawn, pwy sy'n gwisgo'r siwt? So, pwy sy'n gwisgo'r siwt? Ar eich traed, ar eich traed. Pwy sy'n gwisgo'r siwt? 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 Keep using my biro. Right, sir.
Gwisgo suit. Pwy sy'n gwisgo hat?
Pwy sy'n gwisgo... Take this home with me.
Right. Dych chi'n cofio sut dyn ni'n deud? The little birds are singing. Way back. Tweet, tweet. Mae'r adar bach
Yn canu.
yn canu. Okay, or we can switch adar bach to a name. So John is singing.
Mae'r John yn canu.
Da iawn. What about Sarah singing? Da iawn. Beth am Sarah is wearing? Do you know what the word for wearing is? To wear something. Gwisgo. Fan hyn.
Oh, yeah.
Pwy sy'n gwisgo'r siwt? Gwisgo, to wear. So sut dyn ni'n dweud, John is wearing a suit. Sut dyn ni'n dweud? Da iawn. Mae John yn gwisgo siwt. Eto, mae John yn gwisgo siwt. Da iawn. Beth am Sarah is wearing a suit?
Mae Sarah yn gwisgo siwt.
Da iawn. Reit te, beth am Josie is wearing a hat? I know it's not.
Mae'n Josie.
Het, da iawn. Rhys is wearing a hat. Da iawn. Pwy arall sy'n gwisgo het? Who else is wearing a hat? Matt. Da iawn. Mae Matt yn gwisgo het. Da iawn. Pwy sy'n gwisgo wig gwyrdd? Gwyrdd.
Mae Helen yn gwisgo
Gwyrdd. Da iawn. Pwy sy'n gwisgo wig melyn? Melyn.
Mae Melly yn gwisgo
Wig melyn. Quite melyn. Don't worry about the colours. We'll do it again. Melyn. Blonde. Yeah, blonde. Yeah, yeah. Pwy sy'n gwisgo scarf pink? Pwy sy'n gwisgo scarf pink?
Mae Josie yn gwisgo pink.
Da iawn. Pwy sy'n... Ati. Pwy sy'n gwisgo scarf pink golau? Golau laeth.
Dwi'n gwisgo scarf pink.
Da iawn. Pwy sy'n gwisgo sgarff porffor?
Mae'n bebyd
Yn gwisgo scarf porffor.
Da iawn. Pwy sy'n gwisgo suit Rambo? Give us a
Suit Rambo.
kind of.
Oh, Rambo suit.
I so used to wear that as well when I was about 10.
This used to be yours. Rambo suit.
Suit Rambo.
Suit Rambo, da iawn.
I can imagine Rambo wearing it.
A pwy sy'n gwisgo ffrog?
Mae
Disco frog.
Lovely.
Matt's chatting you up. Mae Colin yn
You're in a dress, miss.
Iawn.
You look beautiful. Venus Williams.